Okay, so for the best part of me assignment, you actually need to upload a picture of just that body part, okay? So the way to do that, and this is probably the best way that I found, but however, you might know something better, or you might be a little bit more technologically advanced than me. However, the best way I do it is I take it on a phone. So if you have a phone or a way to do that, that would probably be the best. So I take it and I email it to myself. And then you want to go to your computer and log into your email. And when you log into your email, you can click on the picture and download it. When you download it, you can save it onto your computer. So save it first. Once you have it saved, and some of you might be able to take a picture on your webcam. However, I'm not sure how that works with the computers that you guys have. So I'm not sure about that. However, once you have your picture, you can go to classwork, units of study, unit 1, week 1, go to your assignment, the best part of me, go down, you want to click project details. Here is what it's telling you to do. Here's your rubric. Make sure you read it so you know what you're looking for and how you're going to be graded. Submit your assignment. So what you want to do is you can upload your file. This is where I want you to upload it. So you're going to choose file. You're going to add your picture of whatever you have there, save it, and you are going to, don't submit yet, type your answer in this text entry box. Okay? Once you have that in there, you can submit your assignment. Okay? So here's how you upload your file, type your answer, then submit, and then your project will be good to go. Make sure you proofread your text entry box, okay? And that you have your correct punctuation and spelling. Sound good? I hope this helps.